Well, welcome to our RV renovation day one.
Day one.
Today we are focusing on tearing out all that carpet. We're going to be tearing out this booth, trying to get out this fake tile floor, and I think that will probably about do it for us for today. Also,
It's gonna be a lot of work.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July!
We're starting by pulling this thing out so we can eventually just put chairs here instead of the booth. Let's go.
I love chairs.
This seatbelt bracket's proving really hard to pull out right now. Got these big bolts that are very hard to get to and they're kind of stuck, but I found that if I WD-40 them, they're loosening up, but I'm gonna have to go get underneath to be able to really unscrew them. We've been struggling with this seatbelt bracket. We can't get this bolt out. So we're going to engineer it. We got a jar gripper, scissors, we're cutting up the jar gripper, putting it on the inside of these pliers so the pliers can hold on to the bottom of the bolt that's in the ground. We can't get access to the bottom of it. And then Laura's gonna unscrew it. I have no idea how happy I am right now. This is the first big win of our RV renovation.
Success!
A little bit of a change of events for us today. We were warned by some neighbors in our neighborhood that they do big fireworks every year in the cul-de-sac right across the street from us. So we're pulling in the slides. We're gonna sweep off our roof, make sure there aren't any leaves or pine needles up there. And we'll probably sit on our roof the whole night while the fireworks are going off and making sure that we can hose it down if we need to. Happy 4th of July. We decided to get back to work, even though the fireworks are happening and we got distracted by trying to cover the roof. And really, we probably shouldn't even be worried about it. It's probably gonna be fine. But we figured we still have some time until they start shooting fireworks. Meantime, we're taking off all the valances. So we got those ones down, we got that one down. Laura's in here. We got that one down.
Monson's loving it.
Monson's helping. We're getting places now. cabinets out. desk is gonna go there eventually. And I made the mistake of trying to manhandle this instead of just figuring it out and like screwing it out. So. Got it. This is crazy to us, right?
This is insane.
So we're sitting on the roof of our RV right now, and we haven't lived in this neighborhood for terribly long, but like look at this if you can see it down here. There's like people everywhere lined up to watch fireworks here. Cars all up and down the street. People just come to our neighborhood to watch fireworks apparently. That wraps up day one of our RV renovation.
It was a crazy day.
Interesting way to finish it, huh?
Got a lot done though. And we had a whole fireworks show right on our street in front of us.
Right above us. It was like a baseball stadium fireworks show.
That was crazy.
So tomorrow,
Sitting on top of our brand new RV.
tomorrow's day 2 of renovation. Carpet day.